Hello and welcome to our video on how to install the Curo IP desktop app on a Windows PC. Firstly, we need to copy the website from the email you received and paste it into our web browser. We now need to select Windows. Once it is downloaded, I would like it to run immediately. Windows would now like to know if I'd like the app to make changes to my device to proceed. I need to select yes. To run the application, Windows needs me to install Microsoft Visual C++ runtime, so I'll select OK. I'm now presented with the terms and conditions for Microsoft Visual C++, which I need to agree to be able to install. Now that this is installed, I can click close and close off this window. Now we can begin to install the Curo IP desktop application. We now need to click next. I then need to agree to the license agreement and then also again click next. We now have the option whether I would like to create a shortcut for one user or for all users. I'll allow it to create a shortcut for all users. We're now presented with a summary of where the app will be installed and the name of the shortcut folder. We can go ahead and select next. The install shield is now running. Now click Finish to close off the installation shield. We need to open up the app by opening our Start menu and look for an app called Communicator and double click it. We now need to create a profile. Click Next. We can now go ahead and copy our email address out of the email we received and paste it into the email box. We now need to enter our password. If you've logged in previously, you would have changed your password. The new password is a password you will need to enter here. If you haven't yet changed your password, you can copy it out of the email and paste it. We now need to click the Advanced tab and enter the login server address, which again can be copied and pasted out of the email. Now we're presented with another box of options. These are to use a desk phone and a soft phone. Both of these tick so I can transfer calls from my mobile app to my desktop app or onto my desktop phone. Now that we have confirmed our choices, we can go ahead and click Next. We are now given a summary of our setup and we can go ahead now and click Finish. The Curo IP desktop app would now like you to download and install a browser add-on. I will click Yes on this so I can make a call directly by clicking a phone number on a website. I will install this plugin on the web browser I am using, which at the moment is Internet Explorer. The Curo IP desktop app will now begin to download your call history from other devices. Click OK. And that's it, your app is now set up and ready to go.